As we continue our data transformation exercise, we're working with the micro data set, which has information on people and their incomes. In the previous video, you learned how to filter. Here we've used several lines piped together to begin with our micro data set, and then we filtered to those working full year and to those who have valid incomes. Now, using our filtered data set, we'd like to summarize some population-level summaries of inequality. Let's start by estimating the mean income for all the people in our data set. We'll start with our filtered data set. Remember that this is a data set that has many rows. In this case, if we look at it, it has over 1 million rows. So we're going to start with the filtered data set and pipe it down to a call to the summarize function. Summarize is a function that takes one big data set and then aggregates it to a new data set with fewer rows. So here let's summarize by making an estimate for our mean value. And in that new estimate variable, we're going to store the mean of ink wage, which is the income variable. And that's how you summarize the population mean. We take the whole data set and summarize. Sometimes we'd like to use summarize to make subgroup summaries. You can do this by adding the group by function in the middle of the operation. So let's go here and add a new line. And let's group by year, and then summarize that. Okay, so what happened here? We started out with the data frame filtered. We then grouped it by year to create a grouped data frame. We then handed that grouped data frame down to the call to summarize. When you carry out summarize on a grouped data frame, you have a new result, which has one row for every group. So here, every year is a group, and we have an estimate, the mean value of ink wage in that year.